abusuafo me mo bibia kwaba de bagen CN page so me bi e de adwoa search efia Schwarzenegger e na okase na efia ekrese His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Ghana yem president Nana Addo Preman osraw nyaso nafa etie no efia ne sema okay na ne se nana second lockdown na wo de ever de anka be ya anka memfemba because first one dey buy no amanfo bebre omo business eseye amanfo ho kire omo papa economy ne nso run very slow into nananka be ya second lockdown we dey memfemba twentwen so because here and it say information minister Honorable Kojo upon Nkrumah aba out abeka say senya yare no esi ekosoro no wan sha ye beko second lockdown neno enafia Schwarzenegger chese nana second lockdown we dey emboa ye intinka be ya memfemba na emome no ensem we enadi so senana yesrew wudi asem we so a enya de a second lockdown no ebeba na efia ne nsem a oka o chese nana endi so na second lockdown no amba so nyina ene se efia se nana Addo Ghana president Addo Preman ba ko pe uni mienti a o man pani dada wonya ne baby ko former president Papa Jerry yenti a Ghana fo esu Ghana fo ediareho a ende yesu a yehu ne ye hu nyina ene se o man pani dada no ye Mr. No Nonsense man na sabi on pensem fun enti ni se wugini a o mana ni soldiers ni brim wa na o ho asisi ho so next time onya sade bi o efia Schwarzenegger chese nana Ghana fo sa na ye pe Ghana ye pe bibia boko ye pe ni gidigidi enti nana COVID-19 protocols na o de egu akwami no Ghana fo ndi so enti nke be ya ye ne by force so bi hye bia Ghana hanana efi wa ha mo chi ni pakro na mo ma no mpra onye dwumaden next time on anka so be share nose mask no efia Schwarzenegger chese Ghana ha yempe bibia boko ntinana se wan fa gidigidi amfema enya dia nose mask ne be share because ukokrom na wo amanfo mo share nose mask bi so mo sa de ntina mo sha ensema wo kan na ne se yen hyesei damia ya to abe Nana Addo anasa politicians no omo yi restrictions no efi COVID-19 no aba so e no mo ye campaign na ne campaign na se no bonzo obi nse nose mask obi use hand sanitizer ene ye na emisa na ye campaign na se ato aba na ewe na sayare no asanso ama ne ho ne so a afi na Nana Addo kase de ye nse nose mask ya de ebe hye ukokro na obi so mo asa no mo eka na ye pese ye kase enti abato de oye den ya to awie na abato ne so na ese yeto enti ya to aba na awie na yare na akoso enti na sense ya to aba enti no se nose mask ana who use hand sanitizer na se bi o femi hwe nkwa so a obeye den na nana we de yesraw se wonye busy na se wonye hwe a brakuma se come see something for your eye top na no wa be mu bibi almost a nose mask no almost a nose mask no hand sanitizer omo use any mate for you but grow from there get anade no nose mask na no mo nse nose mask no enti ane de afia Schwarzenegger ka no na ne for force fem one for force fem nose mask nya do be share so just na police for that is olusha I say COVID-19 protocols na crowd kwa na wo na nya crowd kwa o baby mia bebre nya do mo share enti na police for no ena soldiers for no omo mi omo emba papa wo hu se wo hye bi omo ngu mbai na wo mana kwaya adwuma next time omo de offense embra egu akwai ma obedi so na yenti ensema efia Schwarzenegger ede etudwa
His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo me pa show ena me koma kola nipa bebre nhye mask me buso omo mask we omo say corona yes ka fo yare nti mask no obi entimi force wo mo nhye nine mo ye campaign mo anhye mask na mama ka asem cho the entire Ghana for ye nyina ye celebrate JJ no and say he was a man of action Ghana from Bible call na mesel police for na bi twigatam na bi komo chi ko dware funu Ghana fin wa ha ye chi obi so onhye mask Ni brim no ni ma ne kopra kwan ho ni edini. Ente se omo nhye nana. Ma ye mo mpra kwan ho afin wo kroma. Ye fa bi nko 37 no mku dware funu. Corona fo ni bi funu no mu dware. Na enye lesson ma ye nyina nana ente sa dia ye bebre. Ye no bi ye ntimi nko lockdown nana. Ya kasa sa ya bre. Ghana for mpeboko nana ye bibi. Good evening, Mr. President. I'm saying, Unya, Ubiezi, me home family, me go to JB, me amase, me ye bumenia gunia, maybe Mr. President. Unim send me a canny poor becano quacher or memperfree or why me. Sammy Ewuku, Tawini, Nefren. A dear Tina make us, Mr. President. Sammy Ewuku, ye Juma. Just this ended election, why ye Juma was some party in 4 years, while I'm a pressure. Or you'll be a young youth in we look up to him. Ye need Edan and him, you who say, what in a bow ben one, I just what doing youth in the home. And to Mr. President, this is the time I'll be appointed. Me, I mean, you have been Samuel who not in a two cabinet and so. Or deserve it ministerial position. Or deserve it, say, or last 4 years I came, one in every year, Juma. As I said, Sammy is loyal to you.
Hey, someone too are letting you come on. Or the hospital, they drip person is so.
Who's a drip in the house?
Every time I call, they tell me, say, he's on admission. How can you be the chief priest? And be in the hospital, you know, you have no business in the hospital because you have no business because the same I beg you. Yeah, of course to a hospital, of course your traditional system. We call hospital, I call lab na dia na you bet your mojo na dia na. Sansu na uko this ni one na say chief priest why. They do sometimes they are black before we see. Now they see white paper so your prints, the print in your palm is on it. So it's the same thing. It's just that the packaging is wrong. I said work lab. Our packaging is wrong. And if you can do all these things, we put in your basic no catch them say the hospital. It is a fraud. And me patcho me and me better. I know some people know I don't lie. Always, it's not working. I went there for a solution. They keep my money, and every time I call, they do me last.
They can say, now come fraud there. Fraud is police station. You're
frauding me.
One of the kind say,
because it is fair. Miss Boss say, I will say anything to me to me call. My call, and I mean, who say, if I'm on the hospital, I'm going to use the car. I'm back at the hospital.
I know.
Yes, it's not okay.
We didn't care about home. Now what?
Don't go there.
Okay, I know.
I mean, the way Obetra has a hair and it's also the Nippon. Say, I want to say what's here or can you okay? But more question about what's up?
Yes,
one from my tree. And now. Traditional and also also Jesus Christ indeed.
The reason why I didn't go to my lawyers because I'm practicing African spirituality. Now if he said you call na away, na say koya. Our culture and tradition. And I'm a call and I say the reason why people would rather go to church than go to than practicing our culture and traditions because our people don't the truth. What to me $2,000? I'm a friend also the hospital. I'm the drip I say. No, I'm not going anywhere. See, and I can go. I will have to go back to my lawyer because I know they are going to say a cha crowd. Yes, a cha crowd. But when they saw I read the hospital, I don't know when he's going to get well.
Okay, that's it.
So it's fraud. Nobody should go there because they heard me saying that Ben, maybe a program in Sue, that Ben calculated.
That's what was
your mouth for 2,000 Ghana cedis.
Papa, you are.
And they told me that they work with the Supreme Court and the police.
You said that when you came.
I said all of that, so I'm saying it again. Say, don't what I said before. Now money leading on to the place. They are fraud. The people
version we are not now 101 updated version no problem because
I'm so embarrassed saying this. I mean, you say me can't ask me, but I have to save it. I have to save.
na ebi ana odo kwa na lipa na odo kwa no so ni tumi on so ko be na wo dia ne yare
Power pass power.
Chief, please.
What can you ever can
Chief priest, Mama, Chief priest, I don't go there. Don't go there. They'll take your money and say, baby, and yes, I do.
United Showbiz here and I say they African traditional religion na say ha no be ka
Ghana for mo family born in Chemiwati nipa we o ka ba saba nipa otimi na ntele ekoji from Ghana for mo family born in Chemiwati nipa we kasa na make mo go for 2000 me pa cho wa woni momo number no fa send